Most people believe life just continues as it always has, so there is no sure sense in putting in the effort to try to achieve the impossible. Impossible in their eyes, but in all reality, everything is possible. That is what transcended me onto this journey of seeking factual data of those who thought it was possible aside from their current circumstance. Aside from all the negative chatter in their mind, they found a way to quiet those thoughts and began to align their thoughts with the positive belief of making the impossible possible. So how can we align our thoughts to create our future and achieve what we want? Well, we have to first start by getting rid of fear. The fear deep down inside our subconscious mind. Fear will hold you back always. We have to admit and realize that these fears are planted or programmed since childhood and that they are blocking our mental flow of energy. We might have fears of thinking we will fail if we try something new, or that we don't deserve to have success. Or we might fear that it will derail us and bring us to more poverty if we go all in on our highest excitement or most inner joy or passion. Charles Haanel said, "Fear is a form of thought." So just imagine how powerful one thought can be. If your thoughts are of weakness or destructive or negative, it will manifest in the body as fear. So the best way to remove this fear is by holding in our mind the clear thought of what you want, and repeat this thought as much as possible throughout the day until it becomes part of who you are. Try acting like that future person now. Walk like that person, talk like that person, stand tall like that person you imagine to be. A person's character is not created by luck or chance. It is made by aligning with your thoughts. It is repeating what we are constantly thinking over and over again. Those thoughts of fear or limitations will be replaced with the new person's character, which will be filled with evidence of courage, power, and confidence. I'm not suggesting affirmations alone, which are commonly used today, but if you do choose affirmations, we should act along with the words immediately after repeating them and truly believe in the words we are affirming. This will create roots in our subconscious mind, and it will become the truth in our daily living. Our mind will in turn accept it as fact. Essentially, this is exactly how everything on planet Earth, that is man-made, was created. It was by a human thought that it has come to be. We first needed to think of a house or building for the house to exist. We needed to think or imagine a skyscraper for it to be built. Bridges, electrical appliances, clothing, computers, all came from a single thought, and then it was manifested to the world. Sadhguru once said, "Once your mind gets organized to allow that the way you think is the way you feel, this will allow your thoughts and emotions to get aligned. Once your thoughts and emotions are aligned, your energies will get aligned. Once thoughts, emotions, and energies are aligned, then the body harmoniously becomes also aligned. When all these are aligned simultaneously, your ability to create and manifest will be made possible." It is as simple as that. There is no mystical or magical element to this. It is pure fundamental science. Anyone can do it once they commit themselves on acting on their highest joy and excitement consciously at every possible given moment. Happiness comes effortlessly when we are doing what we love and living how we always imagined to live. Contrary to how most people think, the less effort you place or force, the greater you manifest. If we constantly remind ourselves of what we don't have and keep those thoughts circulating all the time, we will in fact be attracting to us more of the lack we are internally vocalizing. You will find that you don't need to work hard to get exactly what you want. It will flow naturally and will be in harmony with the rest of what you desire. Also, to fully align our thoughts after we defined what we want, we need to center our physical and spiritual body by showing gratitude and love in every possible situation. Try focusing and appreciating what you already have. For example, if your desire is to own a home, appreciate and be grateful for your current dwelling and be thankful you have a roof and shelter in the meantime. This will help you see things from a higher perspective and will speed up your future expectation. By aligning your thoughts to being grateful for all you have, life will have more meaning and you will spend less time doubting and feeling want. When you show love to people around you, even when you feel you must force yourself to do this, you are actually loving yourself. When you are feeling forced to show love to a specific person, that person is reflecting a negative trait you have to overcome and master. Aligning with this thought will help correct negative judgments of others and will help develop empathy and love towards everyone you come across. You will quickly begin to catch yourself doing what you hate in others and become more patient in your dealings with people. This patience and empathy you will now cultivate will begin to show evidence of love in your speech, in your mannerisms, and in your behavior. This is the essence of aligning your thoughts with the new person you wish to become. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and follow the next video, which talks about synchronicities and what they are showing you.